All aerial work platforms should only be operated by a trained operator who is familiar with the operation and safety characteristics of the model being operated.
At Sunbelt Rentals, we pride ourselves on providing the right equipment and innovative solutions for all our customers' needs. Working with aerial equipment presents a unique set of hazards, one of which is entrapment, commonly referred to as crush injuries. Entrapment is defined as the act of entrapping someone or something, or the condition of being entrapped. So, what are some of these entrapment hazards? Let's take a look. Activating a drive joystick in the wrong direction when near an immovable object can cause a crushing injury. Catching the platform or some part of the lift on an obstruction, causing a sudden release. Or driving a machine over rough terrain while near an overhead obstacle. So, as you can see, these entrapment dangers can include crushing of the body, suffocation due to being crushed, being trapped with inaccessible controls, or trapped on an activated control. The AWP operator should always be aware of a passenger's position in the basket, keeping their safety in mind too. In recent years, manufacturers have devised different systems to help prevent the operator from being entrapped. Today we'll take a look at 3 devices currently offered by JLG and Genie. First up, we have Genie's OPA, or Operator Protective Alarm. This system is comprised of a sensing pad, an audible and visual alarm, and a reset button, none of which affect the functions on the platform control. When the operator hits the sensing pad located below the control panel, all boom movement stops and the engine shuts off. An audible and visual alarm will sound to notify ground personnel. Once the OPA is activated, function can be restored by pressing the reset button and restarting the engine.
Up next, we have Genie's OPS, or Operator Protective Structure. This physical structure keeps your operator from being entrapped. Here we have JLG's SkyGuard. This system is activated when the operator puts pressure on the pressure-sensitive bar. The machine will stop and reverse the last function and signal the other personnel that there's an issue with an alarm and a blue light. Here's an example of JLG's 2015 SkyGuard integrated into the platform.
As demonstrated here, when the operator is pushed against JLG's SkyGuard, it stops the lift function, sets off the alarm and blue light, and reverses the last function a couple of inches. Along with these secondary guarding devices, other features, such as drive direction arrows, assist the operator in determining the correct drive orientation. Also, when the operator rotates the boom past one of the drive tires, the lift may not drive until you activate JLG's Drive Orientation Override Switch or Genie's Drive Enable Switch, which is done after the operator has consulted the drive direction arrows. So remember, do not drive elevated over rough terrain. Never drive elevated when obstacles are near the platform. Always complete your Job Site Safety Analysis, or JSA, and assess all hazards. Be sure to consult and warn other workers in your area. Barricade around the lift base. Avoid drive, rotate, and boom functions when near overhead obstacles. Use the fine controls such as jib and platform rotate when near overhead obstacles. Always observe directional arrows before traveling.
And always train ground personnel on emergency rescue and lowering procedures. I hope that this has helped you understand the AWP secondary guarding devices available with Sunbelt Rentals. If you have any questions, please let us know.